Alright guys, so we're going to be trying MREs. I'm here with Crew Chief Larry. I'm DragPak Dennis.
I like chili beans.
Is it chili beans?
Chili and beans, I like it.
Just,
I don't know if I like that.
well,
Right.
I think we're about to find out though.
Okay.
And then we got to drive, so we got a 16-hour drive for tomorrow.
Oh yeah, that's going to be dangerous.
So it's going to be fun. It's a good thing we got a bathroom on board the RV. There we go. Alright. Menu number 1, chili with beans. All sorts of stuff in
We
here.
got
Yeah.
a heat pack and everything.
Yeah, so this is the chili with beans. So there's the chili with beans. So we got cheese-filled crackers, pepperoni pizza flavored. All right, so we have that. This is cornbread, lemon lime, no fruit juice. There's no fruit juice in here.
There's a vegetable cracker.
Let's see the vegetable. Oh, we got a vegetable cracker. We got cheese spread. So we got the heat pack right here. You have a spoon. This looks like a napkin, so there's a napkin. We got salt, more salt, moist towelette, non-creamer, non-dairy. Oh, we got coffee, Bill's Brew, freeze-dried coffee, sugar. We got matches. There's no cigarettes in here though.
That's weird.
Didn't you say they used to come
Sea
with
rations do. Yeah.
sea rations used to have cigarettes?
Yeah.
And then we got a couple of mints. I have a feeling we'll need the mints afterwards. So.
Oh, didn't get it all shook up.
Tastes like water. Let's try the cheese-filled pepperoni crackers. Yeah, combos. The combos.
That's
The cheese-filled pepperoni pizza flavor.
Oh yeah,
That's a combo.
I can taste it.
That's all it is.
I guess we'll try the vegetable cracker with. I'm assuming you probably put the cheese spread on the vegetable cracker. That seems to make sense, right? Well, look at this, Larry. We each get one.
Graham crackers?
Great.
It's a vegetable cracker. That's what it's called.
Is it?
No taste to it.
Will one of my dogs eat it?
Oh, Velveeta cheese.
I'm assuming
Yeah.
you probably got to maybe eat it with the chili, right? Oh no, it's a corn. You got the
I would
cornbread.
try that.
It's not bad. What is that, dog?
Cornbread.
The cornbread?
Looks like a waffle.
Oh, look at that. It smells terrible.
It's not bad.
I think yeah, go good with the chili.
The cornbread is.
Coffee being made. There you go.
Wow, that is something.
All right, cheers. First MRE.
I don't drink coffee, so I don't know if it's good or not.
That's definitely not Starbucks.
Go back to that cracker with the chili.
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah.
Not bad.
Definitely has a chemically.
Chemical taste to it.
MRE number 1 in the books. We're gonna do one of these per event. But for now, Crew Chief Larry, he's just gonna drink his water. He's not drinking coffee.
I'm done with the coffee.
Cool. All right.